Check in on the forecast now. We got that heat advisory out there today. Hallie, the hot weather also means we could have some storms.
Yeah, we definitely could. So we're going to be watching late afternoon and evening for the potential for those storms.
All right, well, could they be severe?
We do have a marginal risk, which is on a scale from 1 to 5. It's a 1, but certainly going to be watching it this evening. You can see a live look over the Detroit River, that haze there in the distance signifying just how muggy it is out there. Very uncomfortable afternoon. A heat advisory until 8 o'clock this evening for those heat indices of 100 degrees or higher. And we'll be tracking not only the rain and storms, but also some unsettled weather too coming our way tomorrow, even going into Saturday. So not quite done with the round that we have later today. 88 degrees out there right now, but more importantly, it feels like 97 degrees with our dew point at 74. So when we look at dew points as high as they are right now, this is about as high as they get here in Michigan. 88 degrees feels like 98 in Ann Arbor, feels like 100 already in Lapeer. Port Sanilac feels like 101 in Flint, reaching 100 in Windsor. So you get the picture. Upper 90s, really 100 or better is what we're focusing on for those heat indices this afternoon. And look at the muggy meter. It's in that range of just simply uncomfortable all the way through tonight. Tomorrow we'll hang on to those high dew points, but it's just not going to be as stifling hot. So tomorrow our temperatures go down a bit behind the front. You can see those showers and storms developing, and strong to severe storms just east of Traverse City, moving toward Alpena and then stretching out over Lake Michigan. So we'll watch this as it continues to move in our direction. And again, we are in that marginal risk once it comes a little bit closer. The timing looks to be after 5 o'clock for us. Doesn't mean we can't get an isolated shower or storm before that, but the risk for severe weather starts to increase as we go into the evening and should be over by midnight. That big heat dome, that bubble of heat stretching from here all the way down to the deep south, out ahead of the approaching front. Behind it, not quite as hot, but still going to be muggy. Temperatures in the 90s this afternoon. So let's get to that hour by hour forecast. Notice these clusters of storms developing pretty quickly as we get past that 5 o'clock hour, give or take some time, but just be aware as we get into the evening hours. These will move across the area in pockets. And one of the threats, not only damaging wind gusts with any storm that does potentially get severe, but we're looking at also some flooding downpours. It is so muggy. We're going to wring out the atmosphere with these storms and could get some flooding downpours, 1.5 to 2 inches in a fairly short period of time is going to be a problem. We head to the overnight hours. This is tomorrow morning. We're looking at a few scattered showers and redeveloping into the afternoon in spots. Now, tomorrow doesn't look like we'll see anything necessarily severe, but Saturday we're going to have to watch. A few showers in the morning, better chance for Saturday afternoon to bring us the chance for more storms. Temperatures in the 80s this weekend, but then pushing close to 90 again by Sunday.